You about to spend a whole hour on this $5 order. Hell yeah. He just knew his order. No, it ain't ready. Quit looking out here. It ain't ready. Shit. You finna be in there. And they mopping the floors. You see the chairs flipped up. They not giving you that order, boy. Look at him. He about to lock the door and everything. Hell yeah. Look, he like, ooh, is that my order right there? Hell yeah. How long you been waiting? 4 minutes? Yeah, this your order. Now confirm it too. And you better confirm it too. Damn Platinum Dasher. And have a nice day too. My pleasure. That's what they told him. My pleasure. Have a nice day. Do restaurants hate Dashers? Chick-fil-A be super nice. Most restaurants, you're just gonna ignore the fuck out of you. He say quit smoking mids, bro. Funny as hell. That is hilarious. Most merchants are just gonna ignore the shit out of you. So you gotta build a good relationship with the minimum wage employees that's interacting with the Dasher. You build a good relationship with them, then they will start to notice you, give you eye contact when you walk up in there. Look at these motherfuckers. You ain't getting no chicken. They think they finna get some chicken. Boy, they ain't getting no chicken. We about to record they ass now. This that same cop couple that come here every day. These two police officers, it's gonna be a tall black one and a small white girl. I bet you. Watch when they hop out. I bet you would be a tall black cop and it's gonna be a small white lady. She's gonna be like half his size. These motherfuckers come. Look, what did I tell you? What the fuck did I just tell you, dog? These motherfuckers eat Chick-fil-A every day, boy. They gonna be shaped like a damn chicken strip. Look, tall black cop. Bruh, what the fuck did I just say? Didn't I say it was gonna be a tall black cop and a half-size white lady? I told you ain't getting no motherfucking chicken. Protect and serve. Protect and serve. They don't say shit about no Chick-fil-A. And protect and serve. Get your half white, half black ass back in the whip and go pull somebody over. Better not be me. Thought you was eating chicken tonight. Hell no. Your shift is not over, baby girl. Ain't no way she would have been driving me around, boy. You is not him. You gonna let that little bitty ass white girl drive you around? Boy, look at this shit, y'all. Her ass is 4'2". That nigga 6 foot tall. I'd have been like, Sarge, you got to give me my own car, Sarge. You gotta do it. Look at him, look. Boy, ain't no way. I'll be embarrassed as hell. Ain't no motherfucking way. Put me on desk duty, Sarge. Ain't no way. I'm about to hop out the passenger seat with this little bitty ass white lady. Now some shit go down. What the hell she gonna do? What the hell is she gonna do if Queen Latifah and them decide to set it off? Nigga, she ain't doing shit. If you don't give me a real partner, I'd be mad as hell, boy. Ain't no way I'm hopping out of this passenger seat with this 4'2" white lady. If you don't give this lady a female partner and give me my own damn cop car, it wouldn't have happened. I almost want to go to the police station and advocate for my brother because I know he can't say nothing. They probably gonna fire the shit out of this black ass. He even look like he gonna say something. You better ride with this white lady and you better not say nothing, or your ass be at the next police department filling out an application. I already know how this shit go. He has no choice. Her ass go to Chick-fil-A every day. You know them white women love Chick-fil-A. He don't even like that shit. He go because he don't got no choice. He ain't driving. He don't decide where they go. He don't got no say-so on nothing. What, the radio station? He can't. All he get to do is talk to dispatch. That's your only job, bro. Talk to dispatch and shut the fuck up. Damn, bro. They doing my people wrong, man. Let my brother drive the whip. I don't even want to see them no more. I knew it was them too because they come to Chick-fil-A every day. You know, this is my post-up spot, so I be seeing them. They be here every day. Hell nah. You ain't getting no chicken tonight, goddammit. You better go protect and serve. Right? Pull over one of these damn college kids. Hell yeah. DT, did you eat today? No. I did not eat today. I got $2 says you ain't ate in the last 5 hours. Well, you are absolutely right, Junebug. You are right. I have not eaten in the last 6 hours, actually. You right about that.